In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Insync Index Indicator in TradingView Pro, step by step in a quick and easy way. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you've got a chart open. Any symbol or time frame is fine for now because we're just focused on getting the indicator set up correctly. On your chart, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually labeled as Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the main Indicators panel, which is where you can search for and add anything you want to your charts. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. This is where we'll find the Insync Index. Click inside the search field so it's active, and then start typing the name of the indicator, Insync Index. Type it carefully so TradingView can pull up the correct result without you having to scroll through a bunch of unrelated tools. As you type, TradingView will filter the list automatically. When you see Insync Index appear in the results, simply click on it once. As soon as you do this, the indicator will be added to your chart, usually in a separate pane below your price chart. You should now see its lines and values displayed clearly. Next, we want to fine-tune it so it matches your trading style. Hover your mouse over the name of the Insync Index on your chart. You'll see a small gear or settings icon appear. Click on that to open the settings window for the indicator. Inside the settings, you'll find options to adjust inputs, colors, and overall style. Take a moment to look through these. You can change things like line thickness and color to make the indicator easier to read against your chart background. If your charts are dark, consider lighter colors. If they're light, go with darker tones. Once you're happy with the way it looks, click OK or apply to save your changes. From here, your Insync Index indicator is fully added and customized in TradingView Pro, and it will stay on your chart layout unless you remove it. If you plan to use it regularly, you can also save this setup as part of your chart layout so you don't have to repeat these steps every time. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, you can use the link in my description to get started and follow along with exactly the same tools I'm using.